Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. In this video, I will show you a trick that I use or some step that I use to animate inserted picture data. It is not related to the PowerPoint. It is related to my experience, how to achieve the animation using the picture data. So if you want to use this one, it's very good. If you have another idea, put it in the comment to reach out with another person. It will be more benefit. Okay? So I will show you how to animate this data. It is picture. Huh? This one is picture. Just copied from Google. So how I will do the animation here with this picture? Just follow my step. So what I will do here, I will duplicate the slide. Okay, and I will crop this image. So picture format, crop, and for example, in next slide I will talk about Portland. Okay, in North region, about the plan like this. Okay, so now crop, good. Now I will take this image and I put it here. Good. Now I just increase just a little bit about the size, not very big. Like this. Okay, and now what I will do here, I will insert an animation. I make, for example, fade. Okay, so it is the first step. So what I mean, if you see your presentation and I want to focus, I want to take attention of the people, I will talk about the plan in Portland. So I will try to make it more big. I know the image is good, but I think you have understand what I have made here. I just increase the part of the line Portland using this trick. Okay? Oops, come back. What can I do also? For example, here maybe the color isn't good. You can change the color if you want. Okay, go to the color and change it to I don't know, to something like this to see the difference. Okay, because the background isn't good or something, I don't know, not like this, maybe like this, maybe, yeah. So I mean, when you start, I will talk about Portland. Here is data about Portland. What can I do also? I can add it, for example, an arrow here. So insert, shape, and I will add it this one, for example. Like this. Okay, I'll put it like this, no problem. And here I will add an animation. Same thing, pick in, or let's pick in, pick in from the left, something like this, and I go to the animation pan, and here I can add a sound. Double click. I can add the sound, for example, choose there is only click that is something good. Okay, choose click. You see, I don't know if you listen to the sound or no. So now you have another animation that you can add it. So talk about Portland. Okay, and I added this one with the click. I can remove this slide, I don't need it now because I have made the crop. What can I add also? To focus the attention of the people. It is just to talk about this line, how to attract the attention of the people to this information. I can add the shape. Shape here, something like this. And now, of course, without fill, no fill, but I will add so just want to see it. I use this one, and here I will add the outline. What is the shape? So now I will change the outline. For example, I can make it very big, no problem, 6 or something like this. Now I added animation for this, same thing, fade in, good. And now I have all my information about the outline. So just change the color. If you want to take the same color as the table, no problem. Or you make the previous one like this shape, like this arrow, like this. And here also you can do it with the green if you don't like the blue. So we have the correction, or change to the green if you want. All the information will be the same, something like this. It is so pretty. Now, when I start my presentation, I will attract attention to my Portland. What we have in Portland. I added the click and added this outline shape to make it very, very pretty than the previous one. Just with image, I have created this one all just with image. I make the same thing. The image here isn't good, I know. It is, as I said, copied from Google. So if you have an Excel, you have created your table in Excel, you have the picture, you have it set as a picture, make the same thing, or use another type of animation. Here is how I present my table with the picture data in PowerPoint. I hope that you have liked this type of animation or presentation. See you in the next video, inshallah, to continue our course PowerPoint. Take care of us. I tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.